Masdar needs no introduction here in the UAE, but for the benefit of those perhaps internationally who are being introduced to the company for the first time, just outline what it is exactly that Masdar does.
I'm glad to. So Masdar is the UAE's renewable energy champion. We were established approximately 18 years ago. And we are a global developer of renewable energy projects, utility scale and off-grid solutions. Over that 18 years, we've invested or committed to invest over $30 billion in renewable energy projects. We're active across 40 countries, across 6 continents. We have a mandate from the leadership here to grow our portfolio to 100 gigawatts by 2030. And really, I think we are helping position Abu Dhabi and the UAE as a global leader in energy transition and help accelerate that energy transition both domestically, regionally and internationally.
We're here at ADIPEC, which historically has been a pure play oil and gas conference. It's absolutely fascinating now to see this conference being the precursor to COP28 and executives on the grounds here talking about decarbonisation and the energy transition. What role does Masdar play in both of those things?
Well, I mean, I think, again, we are a pure play renewable energy company, so we are as green as they come. And, I think the UAE has set a net zero by 2050 target, and we have a key role to play in that as the UAE renewable energy champion. His Excellency Dr. Sultan Al Jaber, COP President Designate, he also announced the need to grow renewable energy generation capacity threefold by 2030 and double it again by 2040. So there's a real need to accelerate investment in renewable energy, both domestically here in the UAE and on an international scale. And I think that is ultimately our role. I mentioned earlier, we have a mandate to grow to 100 gigawatts. We are investing in new renewable energy projects in both the developed world and the developing economies. And I think a key role that we have to play really is, we can showcase in COP28 that we are actually walking the walk and not just talking the talk. We're actually delivering real tangible change on the ground, and we are accelerating the transition, be it here in the UAE or it be, as I say, in other marketplaces like Central Asia, like the US and other parts of the world.